Vaibhav this side, and in this video, I want to talk to you about the power of questions and how the questions that we ask ourselves direct our reality, and what are the right set of questions that we can ask ourselves during our self-talk, during our mental chatter, so that we can optimize our subconscious mind and make it more open toward the solution-oriented approach rather than being stuck at the problem itself. So make sure that you stick around till the end, because I genuinely believe that understanding this questioning process can benefit you greatly. Before I begin, I want to take a minute to announce that I am doing a free giveaway of my book Reality Bending. If you want to enter into the competition to win it, just comment Reality Bending in the comment section. And every single Thursday, I am going to pick one lucky winner to give my book completely free in the ebook format. Also, if you are new on this channel, we talk about personal development, brain science, transformational psychology, spirituality, and ancient wisdom. So, if these topics interest you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I put any new video. And with that, let's get started with this video. So, in this video, I want to talk to about the power of questions and how it can redirect you to the reality that you desire, to manifest the life that you want through understanding the right set of questions to ask yourself. Now, the question that we ask ourselves can be very powerful when it comes to transforming our lives. Now, why did I say this? So, think of it this way. The whole thinking process is simply consists of asking questions and answering these questions, right? So whenever you are thinking, you are asking yourself a question and then answering those questions afterward. So the whole thought process is just question and answers. Even if you are thinking right now, is this true what Vaibhav has said? Is it true? Maybe yes, maybe not. You are literally asking yourself a question and answering it in your head, right? So first of all, what I want you to understand is that the quality of your life that you are living right now is directly correlated with the quality of the questions that you are asking yourself on day-to-day basis. So the way our mind is designed is to be the best answering machine. Whenever you are asked a question, it triggers a mental reflex that completely takes over the brain's thought process. So to give an example, if I ask you what is the name of your school, after hearing that question, what were you thinking about? The obvious answer for most is about their school. So the second you hear a question, it immediately takes over control of your thought process and focus entirely on answering that question. You didn't consciously tell your brain to think about it. It just do it instinctively. Even if you were unable to find an answer to the question immediately and consciously choose to disregard it, your subconscious mind still continues to seek a way to find an answer. So, to give an example, sometimes when you are trying to recall a name of a specific person or a particular song or movie name, and you try hard to recall it but couldn't do so, and consciously decided to let go of that question, after some time that name occurs to you automatically. And why that happened is because our subconscious mind was still working behind the scene to find the answer of that question. That is how it is designed. It's wired to find the answer for us, because our subconscious mind simply cannot let go any question unanswered. So why this is important is because our thoughts creates our reality. So think of it this way. Whatever predominant thoughts you have throughout the day, you are going to have corresponding feeling to it, and how you feel largely governs the kind of actions that you will take. So to give an example, if I ask myself why my videos are not good, my mind, being an excellent answering machine, will give me million in one reason to tell me why my videos are not good. So these are the low level of questions. These are the questions that are more oriented toward the problem. And because this question already assume that my videos are bad, my mind will just come up with any reason to answer it. So it can be like, your videos are bad because you talk too fast, because you are not good enough, because you are XYZ, right? So a better and upgraded question that I can ask myself, which is more solution oriented, is like, how can I improve my videos, or what skill I need to cultivate to create better videos. What can I do differently to improve my video quality? You see the difference here. First question, the low level question, is expecting an answer with this pre-assumption that my videos are bad and is just searching for the reason for it. While the later question, the high level question, is expecting an answer with the pre-assumption of me open for possibilities to create a better video. When you ask these upgraded questions, you allow the subconscious mind to reach into the depth of millions of possibility out there and bring you back the best possible route to get to what you want, the best possible solution for you to move forward with your goals. So rather than asking the questions that are negative and impose limitation, start asking questions that are positive in nature and opens for possibility. The manner in which a question is posed can trigger even more extensive search by the unconscious mind and produces specific and intentional manifestation. So the few key style set of questions that you can ask to stimulate your mind to do the extensive search to find the answer in positive and solution oriented manners are what and how type of questions. For example, what action I need to take to move closer to my goals, or what skill I need to work on to be, move toward my goals faster. What area of my life do I need to change immediately to increase my finances? How can I become more magnetic and have more self-esteem? How can I move more quickly ahead in my career, right? Another set of questions are what if type of questions. For example, what if everything I want comes to me exactly as I have imagined it? What if something better than what I want comes to me? What if everything that I think is negative is actually pushing me toward my goal? What if everything is being worked out for me without me having to do anything about it, right? And the third set of questions to entice the subconscious mind into working towards your manifestation is with what would it look like questions, right? So these are a perfect way to send your mind on a search to validate more of what you want. For example, what would it look like if I had a successful YouTube channel? What would it look like to achieve my goals? What would it look like to be, financially secure? What would it look like to have fit and healthy body? What would it look like to have all my desired fulfilled, right? So now I want to discuss with you the two-step method to use the power of questions to help you move toward your goals and have more solution oriented approach. So step number 1 is for a whole day or for a week, observe yourself and see what kind of questions you predominantly ask yourself. Take a journal and note down all the questions and notice what type of questions they are. Are these problem oriented questions, lower level that moves you away from your goal, or are they solution oriented, higher level questions that actually move you toward your goal, right? So make list of all these questions. You can do it for a day, but preferably if you can do it for a week, even better. Notice the pattern of these questions. You have to do it consciously. Observe what your general attitude is toward the events that occurs to you. In thinking about any other aspect of life, you might be often getting to a point where it's like, oh, why does this keep happening to me? Why things never work out for me? How does the bad things keep happening to me over and over again? And if these questions isn't oriented to getting you to the solution, it's not a high level question. A high level question is the only question that is solution oriented. If you keep asking questions like how come bad things keep happening to me, why I'm not good enough, blah blah blah, if you ask questions like that, then you are going to get more and more of this in your life. Because remember, our mind do not care about the context of our thinking, it only cares about the content. And this is how your focus is optimized to look for what's wrong and why you are not good enough, right? If you want to know more about how your focus determines your fate, click up here. I have created a detailed video on that. So step number 1 is to observe the kind of questions that you ask yourself. Notice this mental chatter and find out what kind of questions you keep asking yourself throughout on daily basis, and take a note of all these questions. And step number 2 is to review all these questions that you have noted down and do an upgrade to them. By upgrading, what I mean is that if these questions are lower level questions, problem oriented questions, upgrade them to higher level of questions, upgrade them to solution oriented questions. In order to do that, you can use the three set of questions that I have discussed with you, right? So simply choose the style that works best for you, ask the questions regarding what you want, and let your mind work out the details for you. So step number 1 is to notice and write down the type of question that you keep asking yourself. Do it for a day or preferably for a week. And step number 2 is, if these questions are directed more toward problem, upgrade them to the high level of questions, like more solution oriented question. Asking the proper style of question gives you the ability to draw into your life the answer that will manifest your desire and move you toward your goals. With the right set of questions, your subconscious mind will start to work tirelessly behind the scene to find the answers and move you toward your goals. As this portion of mind is instinctively wired to work for you, it has the capacity to bring the answer to you that manifest your creation in the quickest and easiest manner, because these style of questions help you positively influence your feeling states regarding your desires and propel you toward them effectively and effortlessly. And with that, I am concluding this video. Please comment down below to let me know if that was useful or if you have any question, and I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, much love and peace.